Hey, my sewing friends, it's Alice Murray. So happy to see you. Thank you so much for joining me on day 59 of 365 days of sewing makes. 365 days of fashion show. And today, what I want to show you is Butterick 5616. It is a jean jacket, but with a twist. It has only 3/4 length sleeves or no sleeves, and you can make it like hip length or like a short waist length. And I'll show you the line drawings. They have patch pockets on them, princess seams, yoke in the back, seams in the back, whole lot of top stitching. And this is a Butterick lisette 6183. See, I got it out of the bargain bin. And that's the pants I'm wearing. It also comes with a cute little top. I made this top and I'll show it to you a different time. These are the line drawings. The pants have a side zipper, front pockets. You can make it with or without a cuff. And I will show you my version. Nice pockets. There's a little smaller than some, but they're okay. There's a waistband, side zipper. They're kind of baggy. Baggy's probably not the right fashion term. Little jacket with the 3/4 length sleeves. I don't know. I wish now I had made them long. I kind of wish I hadn't made it all out of pink. I made it to go with this top that I showed you yesterday. And I even lined the pockets with it. Got my dear husband to put snaps on the front. Bless his heart. And I sewed big silver buttons on the cuffs and the pockets. You can see there's a yoke in the front. I have a big fold over collar, yoke in the back. So, I don't know. What do you think? You think this is something I should go out in public in, or do you think the 70s will call and want their pantsuit back again? These patterns are, the pants are 2015, and the jacket is a 2011. So they're not too old. But I don't know. Things always look really good in my mind. In reality, lots of times I have to have them hang in my closet for a minute before I decide if I like them or not. I think it's because when I'm sewing, I get so, you know, I have this vision in my mind exactly what it's going to look like. And then it never ever looks exactly like I think it's going to look. And it takes me a little while to get used to whatever the new thing is. So, yeah, that's that. I'd love to hear what you think. I so appreciate your comments, that you've helped me see so many of my makes in a new light, and you know, with new suggestions on ways to wear things and whatnot. I appreciate that so much. So thank you so much for tuning in. And today I'm grateful to my dear husband for putting the snaps on. That is definitely an option instead of buttons if that's something you'd like to try. And I hope, you know what I hope. I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Thanks for tuning in. See you again soon.